Good morning, welcome to the Blue Shack. My name's Joe and I'm going to be working on another ring today. It's a cold day here in Sutherland, Oregon, but I've got a warm cup of coffee, some good music, and a willing spirit. So I'm going to get started here with making ring number T200022. So without further ado, I'm going to get started. Now that I've got the outside finished off, I'm going to start boring out the inside. I've got the boring bar on there, so next I'm going to bevel that inside edge. Next comes sanding it with 6 different grits of sandpaper and then polishing just the inside. Got that nice and smooth. Time to polish it up, make it shiny. Okay, nice and shiny. Now it's time to slow this lathe back down and part that ring off. Turn it from a pipe into a ring. Here goes. There's the start of a ring. It's time to remove the big chuck and put on a ring mandrel and finish everything else on this ring on the mandrel. Okay, time to get rid of that burr right there. And kind of right after I get rid of that excess ring on there, I'm going to be beveling this inside edge to match the other inside edge. And I'll be sanding, finishing up the inside of this side of the ring. This side with a little bit of polish. Next, I need to make sure that this outside is concentric all the way around. It'll be important later when I come back and bevel these outside edges that it be exactly the same. Time to pull this off and take it over to my bench sander and cut some faces into it. I'm going to be alternating this ring back and forth, making some random faces. Faces cut in that all the way around. It was looking pretty good. So I'm going to stop there and take it back over to the lathe and bevel those edges. I want to give this outside edge just a little bit of a bevel, almost like to the point of being chamfered all the way across. Okay, now I'm going to hit these edges with a file. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of light sanding. Okay, other than getting my hands cleaned up and the ring cleaned up, that's done. That ring's finished. Thanks for hanging out with me today. You have a fantastic rest of the day. I'll see you next time at the Blue Shack.